Good morning, guys. It's sunny. It's December 28th, Monday morning. We are trading natural gas. Overnight, over the weekend, natural gas fell quite a bit. Quite a bit, as in about, overall, it's down now about 10%. So that relates to about 20% for boil and cold. And if you see my videos from last week, I did say that natural gas is like way overextended and then it's gonna fall. But I didn't expect it to fall this much this soon. So if you see from like last Thursday, this is around the time when natural gas report was released on Wednesday 23rd, and since then it's fallen down. Since then the bottom was about 15.3%. So that's quite a bit, quite too soon. That too, like over the holiday weekends. Um, I didn't expect this much trading. Well, the trading looks like it picked back up last week. Just before Christmas on Thursday, we had like a session until 1 p.m. trading session until 1 p.m. and there was quite a bit of volume, and it was like totally unexpected. I traded some on Thursday, even though I wasn't planning, because I was expecting the volume to be much lower, and I made over about $1,000. And over the weekend, I was thinking that it might. I had a feeling that it might gap down. And if you look at my video from Thursday afternoon, I did mention that it might gap down, but over the weekend by Monday morning, it might come back up. But it gapped down quite a bit, about double what I expected. And then for the most evening last night and most morning, early hours of the morning, it just went sideways. And around like uh, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., it started to pick back up. And I was thinking that it will recover some, but early morning, like 5 a.m., it started to fall down again. And if we look at 1 minute chart, yeah, it's been like keeping this SMA line and the VWAP line all morning. So right now it just came back up to the VWAP, and I mean, like, you can clearly see that the stock will go down from here. It made this higher high, and then it made about the same high, but MACD is making lower high. So it's um, it's quite possible that the stock will fall down again. Although I see, like it's been keeping above this EMA line, so we need that confirmation as well, that it goes below the EMA and then bounces down. So that's where we are at right now. So we need to see if the prices will continue to stay below the EMA. So that's the analysis for this morning. I'm expecting the prices to recover. It's like 2.263. It's towards the low range of the prices. The normal prices that should be at this time. But again, it's holiday season, volume could be low, and we are trading February's futures now. February usually is the coldest month of the year, so you know I would like I would expect some volatility around the prices, and natural prices could recover from here. Uh, like if you look at 20-day chart and 180-day chart, 20-day 1 hour chart, it's like oversold conditions. If you look at 180-day 4 hour chart, it's also oversold condition. And Yeah, even if the prices go down, it might go down some, a little bit, but from here I expect the prices to recover. So you know I expect the prices to come at least, we're looking at this EMA line, so about 4 to 2.4243. So let's see how it goes today. um I'm gonna be like very careful trading today, even though I was expecting the prices to fall down. I ended up selling everything on Thursday because I didn't want to carry over any stock over the long weekend. So let's see how things go today. And yeah, we'll try to trade together. And now you can see that the MACD is making higher high. So and then at the same time, it's keeping below the VWAP, and the prices is about the same. So and then another thing is like it just went over this green SMA line. So let's see if it's gonna bounce back from here. Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, like on 20-day chart, the MACD has already crossed over in the to the up direction, uh, and the prices are in the oversold condition. Same thing with 180-day chart, the prices are in oversold area, but the MACD line hasn't turned around yet. So like I think it will follow, but yeah, as of now, I would expect the prices to recover at least some. So let's see. And let's see if it comes above this VWAP line. All morning it's been like since 7:30 a.m. it's been like keeping below. Yeah, and the trend is not super clear. The SMA line was acting as a resistance for some time, and then the VWAP line, and yeah, now it's above the VWAP line. So let's see if it could still recover. At the same time, the prices are at the upper price channel, so it might fall down some before recovering. Let's see how things go. And yeah, the boil prices are kind of low, so I'm kind of tempted to buy boil, but I'm just gonna be a little bit careful. So the boil hit lows of 1703. Yeah. Let's see if it comes down to the VWAP and then bounces. We also have the EMA line approaching the VWAP line. Yeah, like a lot of indications are showing um, the natural gas prices will go up. Yeah, let's see, prices bounce up from here. Right, back at the EMA line. We'll just take a small position in boil 17.51. Let's see if it gets filled. Alright, got filled. Alright, it's approaching the green SMA line. Let's see if it, and it's also on a 5-minute chart, it's also the EMA line. See, I can like buy another 100 at say 1733. In 5-minute chart, the prices are right at the EMA line. Still didn't execute. The bid is at 1733. Right. It looks like it's going back up. My order still didn't execute. The bid and ask is like very close together. Yeah, we have like good volume. Nope, my order didn't execute and it's turning back. I'm gonna cancel this order and see if it clears the EMA line. Yeah, on Tuesday, December 22nd, I was just baffled why the prices went up. It were trading in a range, and then Tuesday morning it went up, and now I'm kind of baffled why the prices fell so much so soon. But that's how it goes. Volume is low, so there is more volatility in the market. On Thursday, we had trading session at up to 1 p.m., but the extended sessions was from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., and then the natural gas just stopped trading at like 1:43 p.m. So I couldn't quite understand why it stopped trading at 1:43. It looked like it had started to recover some at around 1:30. uh, just bouncing back down from the EMA on 1 minute chart. Around 5 minute chart, it's below the EMA now. It's gonna put on for 1703. See if the prices go below that. 1729 right now. It filled at 1730. The prices are towards the lower channel, so that's another reason I thought it's good buy at that price level. It's possible prices will continue to go down. So as of now, I have 200 shares of Boyle, down $27 on the position. One minute chart is close to oversold. Yeah, so when the market opened yesterday, it made a lows of 2.265, and then it bounced again at around 9:15 at around the same price. It went up to 2.265, but if you see, the main body of the candles are still above this line. So I'm thinking that's a good resistance point. Alright, it's still continuing to fall. Let's see if it comes down to 2.265. Where is this resistance line here? If it does, that's where I will add some more. So that price could be like 1710, 1709. I'm just gonna put a buy order for, say, 200, 1711. Alright, it's just going sideways. I'm a series trying to turn around in the 1 minute chart. If it turns around from here, on 5 minute chart, the MACD would be making higher highs, which is another good indication that the prices will go up. Alright, let's see if it crosses that EMA line, gets rejected by that. And again, the reason I'm buying Boyle is because both on 20-day 1 hour and 180-day 4 hour chart, the prices for natural gas are in oversold conditions. It looks like it got rejected by the EMA. It did even touch that line. We also have a resistance line at 2.64. Yeah, the prices are kind of like staying put at the lower price channel. Let's see, might if it continues to fall but stay above this price channel, it might take a while for it to come down to 2.6, 2.66. Let's see if it crosses the EMA this time. The MACD seems to be crossing over, so that's good. Let's see. Yeah, prices went above the EMA. Alright. Let's see if I can get another 100 at 17.26. Alright. Filled at 17.26. keeping at the EMA line. We are not quite sure if it's going down, bouncing down, or going up. It's like right at the EMA line. Let's see. The prices are just kind of bouncing around at the EMA line. Alright, looks like it's getting rejected. So the position size is 300 as of now, $30 down on the position. Let's see if it goes below this price channel. I have 200 more, bar for 200 more at 17.11. Right now, looks like prices are going down on both the 5 minute chart and 1 minute chart. We're back at the EMA line. Let's see if it crosses over and then bounces back in the up direction. The prices are about the same as the previous low, and then the MACD is making higher highs, so that's sort of indicating the prices will go up. So let's see. It could be like too early to know for sure. The MACD could still continue to go down. The MACD has turned around in 5 minute chart as well, turn around in the down direction, but it didn't quite go above the zero line. So that's why if it had gone above the zero line and then coming down, then I would think that the prices are changing direction, but it didn't quite go above the zero line. Down about $47 on my position size of $300, 300 shares of oil. It looks like it's bouncing down. We have good volume. Like given the February month is quite cold, it's like a good buying opportunity for natural gas futures. So that's the reason I'm trading boil instead of cold. It's right at the EMA line. And I have 300 shares, and then I have another order for 200 shares at 1711. That's the expected price. If the natural expected price of oil, if natural gas prices come down to 2.66. Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to take off, and I have a few other things to take care of today. So I will update you how my trades went around 5 p.m. today. After the market close. And until then, good luck if you're trading natural gas. And if you're still holding cold shares, I would suggest to lock in your profits. And the direction isn't very clear as of now. Uh, the 20-day 1 hour and 100-day 4 hour charts are showing oversold conditions, and that's the reason I'm trading cold, trading boil. So um, it's still possible that natural gas prices could go down some more. So I'm like, yeah, I would suggest caution in trading. On one hand, cold is already so low. Sorry, cold natural gas is already so low. Coal prices are very high. Yeah, I mean, I would suggest to take your profit and run. Alright, guys, take care. I will catch up with you at 5 p.m. Bye for now.